everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this video, I'll be unboxing this DeWalt snow shovel, setting it up, and telling you all about the key features. For your reference, the model number is DXSVXA2016-002, and this does run in the $150 range. Now that's for the bare tool only. You're not going to find a battery or a charger, which I'm actually not all that upset about because I have a million chargers laying around. But if this is your first DeWalt tool purchase, you will need to know that. Now, I do believe there is a 20 volt 4 amp hour battery included in this box, but that's only because they sent it to me to demo. You're not going to have one if you purchase this product. Now, that being said, the runtime on that 4 amp hour battery is 20 minutes, but you can increase that if you use a larger battery with a higher amp hour rating. So, okay, first let me take it out of the box, show you how to assemble it, and tell you all about the key features. All right, right on top, there's an owner's manual. Make sure you read over it because I'm not going to be going over every aspect of this tool. Well, I expected it to come in pieces parts, but it looks like it's fully assembled. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and run through the parts from the top to the bottom. Here's the battery housing, which snaps shut to protect the battery. So you just slide the battery in like that and it does click into place. Or you can see with that 4 amp hour battery inserted, there is still room. So if you had something larger, the largest battery I have in my basement right now is this 5 amp hour, and you can see it still does fit. So I'm thinking you probably could get away with a larger battery or like one of those big flex folds. All right, so I'm gonna get a measurement. Looks like from where the top of the battery is to the bottom of that housing is just shy of 4 inches. It's like 3 7/8 inside there, so I hope that helps. And then width-wise, it's about 3 and, let's see, from there to there, about 3.5 in width. So if you have a battery that measures around that or less, it will fit in there. Okay, you can see it has 2 triggers here and here, and there's a safety switch. You actually have to depress that, and then you can go ahead and squeeze. Okay, and here's a look at what that looks like. The paddles are Here's a good look at the handle, which does have these little grippies to help you hang on. It's a nice hard plastic. So if you wanted to maybe change positions of this, you can. You just loosen this part. There's like a little lock right here. All right, so there is a quick clip. You can raise it and lower it. Obviously, that's way too tall for me. But okay, actually, let me get a measurement. All right, so from the ground to the top of the battery is about 64 3/4 inches. And then the lowest point is about 49.5 inches. Okay, since I have my tape measure out, I'm gonna go ahead and measure the shovel portion. Okay, the bottom measures, I'm gonna call it 12 inches across, but this part that it's going to be cutting is a swath of 10 inches, and you can use this on snow up to 6 inches. Keep in mind, this is not a full-blown snow blower. This is meant to be used on like your sidewalks, your paths, walkways, patios. You can even use this on like say compact gravel. Just keep in mind that you want to float it over areas like that because anything that gets picked up here is going to go flying in the air. So for me to be able to comfortably hold this, I would have to have this handle all the way up in the highest position. Okay, and once you get that set, you can just tighten this and it locks it into place. All right, so this is what feels natural for me about there. Just quick clips and locks into place. Okay, so let me show you how to adjust the deflection plate here at the bottom. So you can swing this up to 60 degrees in either direction, and the scraper portion is at the bottom. The brushless motor is housed inside here. It does throw snow up to 20 feet. I tried the snow shovel out at my house. As you can see, I live in more of a country setting, and I also took it over to my dad's because there are sidewalks and a small concrete driveway. There is a bit of a learning curve, but the biggest takeaway is to move in small increments, especially when the snow is wet and heavy. If you try to overload the shovel, the snow will build up and jam the scraper area. So it's best to move forward, back up, and move forward again. I was able to work for around 30 minutes with my fully charged battery. Now that wasn't running at full throttle the whole time. This is real life work where you stop intermittently to move to a different spot. I can see this being a useful product for pros or people that might maintain apartment buildings or even homeowners, especially if they have a bad back or some type of a medical condition. In fact, on my drive home from my dad's, I saw a guy shoveling his sidewalk the conventional way, and I immediately felt sorry for him. That's how quick and convenient this shovel is. This is definitely a product that I will use all winter, and it would make a great gift for somebody else as well. Overall, it's really nice and sturdy, and it feels like a quality product. It does weigh 13.23 pounds. I do believe that's including the battery. The design is nice and compact, so you can store it in your shed or in your garage, and it doesn't take up a lot of room, as you can see. It does come with a 3-year limited warranty, and I'm going to close out this video by taking it outside and showing it in action. But let me know in the comments if you have any questions on things I didn't cover. I will include any shopping links in the description for your convenience. And if you're not already a subscriber, I hope you'll hit that follow button and look me up. You can find me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook as well. As always, I thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.